I feel like I belong in Cardiff. Coming to USW, there's just so many cool people everywhere. You're just always surrounded by creative people.
The best thing about Cardiff is that it kind of has something for everyone. There's an emerging game scene as well, with kind of arcade bars that you can go to and socialise with people from your course. I feel part of a network at USW.
Cardiff, I feel, better suits my personality. You still have everything you need, like any city, but you can just decide to go on a long walk and end up in the countryside.
It feels really positive to be a part of a queer network. You know, we're all a community and we all help each other out in any way we can. I get more celebrated now in USW. I feel like I can express myself a lot more.